Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make Vita milk. This is made out of soya beans and it is great source of protein with a rich taste that you're definitely going to love it. Let's get started. So this is the soya beans that I'll be using, and please check if there's no spoiled ones or bad ones in before adding in water. So we're going to let this sit overnight, 8 hours, 10 hours is even better. I'll then cover it and let it sit overnight. After or the next day, I took off the cling film or the napkin and then peel out the skin. To peel out the skin is very simple and easy. Rub it through your hands, like your both hands. Put some small amount in your both hands, rub it, or you can even use your fingertips to take it out. Add in enough water to wash it, to rinse it, and then the skin will come out. So this is what you're looking for. After I went ahead and added it to my blender, I blended it twice. I did it in 2 portions. So as you can tell, it's right above the soya beans. The water was right above the soya beans. Don't add in much water. Blend until smooth. I first sieve it before using my cheesecloth to sieve it. So please, when you blend them, make sure it's very smooth and then sieve it. After sieving with the strainer, I'll use this cheesecloth to sieve it again. You want it very smooth, very smooth. So make sure you sieve it well before cooking it. At the end of the cooking too, we're going to sieve it. So, but trust me, this take no time at all, and then you are good to go. It turned out it's very refreshing. It's nice. It's even better than the store-bought one. You could find this mostly in West Africa, like the West African countries. You could find Vita milk there. I think even around Europe too, you could find something. So after you are done sieving and everything that it's perfectly smooth, I then added it to my saucepan and then cooked this. So you're going to cook it until it evaporates. You should get something more or less like evaporated milk. It should be a little bit creamy, but if you want it thin too, once it's cooked, you can just stop it and then take it off from the fire. So as you can tell from the video, when the skin form, when the top form a little bit of skin, just take it out and then continue stirring it until it evaporates. After I added in this around 30 minutes, I added in vanilla extract and then date syrup. That is totally optional. You can add in any sweetener of your choice. You can use honey or brown sugar. So when you get to this point like this, that even if you mark it with your finger, like you see the trace of your fingertip or your index finger, that means you are there. So I'll then sieve it for the last time again, and then you are ready to go. So I did different flavors. I did strawberry flavor, banana flavor, and chocolate flavor. So guys, just look at it after sieving. Just look at how smooth, how doesn't it look like Vita milk, guys? It's so delicious and it's refreshing. We are good to go. So to do the chocolate flavor, add some of the Vita milk to your bowl and then add in chocolate syrup. This chocolate syrup, I made it by myself. 2 tablespoons of hot water and then a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix it and you're ready to go. So for the chocolate for the strawberry flavor, just add in strawberry flavor and you are good to go. Stir it till well combined, and that's it. And then the banana flavor, just add in banana flavor and you are good to go, guys. So just look at it. It's so simple, it's easy, it's refreshing, and trust me, you're going to love it. It's full of protein, it's rich, guys. Look at this. It turned out so delicious, guys. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section or in the description box below. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, Cheers. See you in my next video. Till then, love you all and stay blessed.